YouTube? I'm Red Assassin 24, and today we're going to be discussing the next generation body armor vent system. Before we get into the review, I just wanted to give a little disclaimer for you guys about like my relationship to the company, if I'm sponsored by them and such. I'm not getting any money or any benefit or credit or anything from them. A friend of mine works for that company, and he reached out to me and he asked me if I'd be willing to do a video review for him. I still paid for this product out of my pocket. I kind of been a little curious about it, so I decided to get it and try it out and see what I think of it. So I'm going to be giving this my honest opinion, and I'll pass that on to you guys. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing. Or should I say the unwrapping. Now, I've been a little skeptical about this product, guys. I kind of looked at it as kind of like a novelty. I'm not really sure if it's going to be worth it. However, I do live in Texas, and anything that could help you stay cool is definitely a force multiplier while you're out there playing. So let's just go ahead and get this opened. Let's see what we got. Okay, looks pretty decently wrapped. We got, looks like instructions here. A new reality. Body armor vent ice increases the daily comfort and operational effectiveness of body armor wearing personnel. Featuring EVAP technology, our patent-pending ventilation system delivers improved comfort through padding, continuous ventilation of the body heat, and accelerated evaporation of sweat in all conditions. Temperature and moisture management, vertical air channels, and the pass-through airflow design of EVAP technology keeps the air moving, the sweat evaporating, uses report noticeably cooler, drier, less heat stress, more alert and effectiveness. Ice panels utilize our sealed proprietary foam system, eliminating the need to inflate the panels. From what I understand, like, the big difference between this system and the first generation body armor vent is this does not require air being pumped into it, and from what I understand, the first generation system did require it. It came with like a little pump and you'd have to pump air into it. These don't seem to have that. So it comes with the panels, the instructions here, and the little Velcro bits. Let me look on here. Installation instructions. Alright. So it'll show you on here exactly where to put the Velcro panels on your plate carrier. And so that being said, let's get this thing hooked up. Alright guys, so I just installed the body armor vent on my plate carrier. It was pretty easy. All I really had to do was just set the Velcro tape on the body armor vent panels themselves before I put them on the back part of my plate carrier. It was pretty easy to put on there. It would have been nice if they'd included more Velcro tape with the product, but I mean, it is what it is. It does what it's supposed to do, but no. The body armor vent, if y'all are listening, include more Velcro tape. But anyway, we'll go ahead and try it on. Show you guys what I think. Okay. Alright. Alright guys. Definitely feel a lot more padding than it did before. It's a good thing. Put this on Definitely fits a lot more snug. This plate carrier was a little bit loose on me because I've lost a lot of weight recently. So getting these on here and getting that snugness back definitely is an added plus to this. I can't really tell right now if you're getting a bunch of aeration from it. I'm gonna figure that out once we get out there in the field and start playing. So taking out a D14 airsoft where we're gonna start playing. See you guys there.
He stole my kill. Damn it. Hey, Blackwolf, move.
Did I seriously did not just get hit. That was so weird. Yeah. He's good. Don't shoot him. Dude.
I was trying to hit that quick peek.
He got voice crack.
Dude, that was so weird because I was like, dude, did he miss me? Did I miss him? And then finally.
Yeah, and then I think I heard it hit my cap right at the end.
Yeah, I heard it hit something, and I'm like,
Sorry,
okay.
I was the one shooting at you.
No,
I didn't know
you're
if
good.
you're already out.
We need more bodies up here!
Alright, there's a lot, guys.
Oh,
hello. Alright, so, can you get an angle without
Hit. I got hit again.
Yeah, I know. Wait, pull back out.
got you right here. Where?
Where are they? Where are they?
They're all holed up in that.
The vanilla one?
Yeah.
So the second one? Okay. Sorry, he was talking about.
They're all holed up in that vanilla storage unit right there in front of you. Let you go.
Okay.
Go.
I got you. You good?
There you go.
Someone dropped a mag, by the way.
Not one. Alright guys, so we just got back from the field. I tried the body armor vent out there for a round or two. There was definitely a noticeable difference in both comfort and coolness. After the round was over, I went back to our vehicles and I took my body armor off. And there was definitely a lot less body sweat on me, like especially on my back. Because usually when I get out there and play, my back sweats like a pig in the sun. Anyway, these retail for $68.95 on the Body Armor Vent website. According to them, the Body Armor Vent Ice will go on any concealable body armor or plate carrier, so this would be ideal for police, law enforcement, federal agencies, military, or hell, even just LARPers like airsofters, kind of like what I do. So as far as who I'd recommend it to, if you're a regular airsoft player and you get out and play all the time like I do, it may be a worthwhile investment. If you only get out and play once a year, then most likely not. But anyway, I'll have the Body Armor Vent website linked to in the description. I'll also have my Facebook and my Instagram down there. So please go give me a like and a share. I love you guys to death, and as always, stay safe and keep it real. Here's the deal, guys. So when I'm wearing my regular body armor and I'm running around there, I sweat like a whore in church.
Oh, a whore in church? Don't you mean a witch in church? Like, aren't they the ones that catch fire? Whores go there for salvation?
They burn in church.
I'm just saying.
I'm burning like a witch in church.
Yeah, that's going on the bloopers, that's for sure.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
I'm so tired as balls.
Alright, it's ready whenever you are. It's all set up, ready to go.
Alright.
Spirit feeders.
Alright, here's the thing, guys. When I get out there and I'm wearing my plate carrier and I'm running around, I'm sweating like a camel that has lost his humps.
That,
Is that even a thing?
that sounds disgusting.
Oh. I think we got it.
Yeah, we definitely got it.
We got it. We're good.
Yeah, we're over the hump, I would say.
I see what you did there.
I found it.
Nice.
I found it.